Hello, I am Dharmesh Chudasma, Director of Carzhub. Carzhub is a professional mechanized cleaning solutions and services. After 8 years of research and experience, I offer you franchise business. Why car wash business? Because 1. India is world's 4th largest producer of cars. And 2. Most family holds 2 cars today. Why Carzhub franchise? Because 1. Franchise comes with already established name. It will save time, cost and risk. 2. Success chances are very high comparatively on started business. And 3. Business model already tried and tested. Who should apply? Passionate about cars, willing to enter in a car care industry. What we need from our franchises: 1. Enthusiastic about car wash business and new technologies. 2. Capability to invest 12 to 18 lakhs. 3. Space from 800 to 1200 square feet in a good location. 4. 6 months running costs and branding besides initial investment. 5. Able to participate in digital marketing and tech savvy. 6. Customer and service oriented. So what are you waiting for? Visit us at 44 Western City Complex behind LP Samani School, Pal Adajan, Surat, or at www.carzhub.in, or you can call us on 93747 87926.